My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to my expense list.
So I managed to get another checkout on Kids Foot Locker for New Balance, this time in size 6.
So these are basically the stuff that I picked up.
Today I copped 6 Jordan 1 lows in the GS sizes. Today we have a pair of Jordan 1 mids dropping on Nike.
Holy crap. I actually sold a New Balance 550. Additionally, we have more boxes that came in. However, we're gonna have to save that for the next episode. All right, so let's see what we got going on. Start off with the Jordan 1 boxes. Got 3 of these Jordan 1 lows that came in. Just double check they're all the same. Yep, 2 size 6s and a size 7. And then we got these Brick Union Cortezes. And we got some Dunks. Let's see. This is called the Marina Blue. I think there's 2 of these. Yep. So these are GS sizes. Unfortunately, this box is pretty, I don't know if you would count it as damaged, but let's just say it's not in the best condition. And we got one of these. I actually got 2 of these, but unfortunately, one of my orders had to get returned to sender for reasons. I'm not sure I should say why. But yeah, unfortunately, we're only left with 1, so we're gonna have to take the other one that I copped out of my inventory list. Earlier today, I copped a few bricks off of Nike. These shoes aren't hype at all. However, the amount of money that I paid for them is just absolutely unbelievable. It's a little bit too good to be true, so I'm not gonna go ahead and add that to my inventory list just yet because I'm almost sure these are going to get canceled. And if they don't get canceled, that'll be freaking amazing. I should have no problem selling these for a profit. In other news, I did sell another New Balance 550, this time on eBay, so I gotta go ahead and get this shipped out today. So I copped some Crocs earlier. I hope they ship out because I got them for a pretty good price. Should be able to make at least a little bit of money off of that. And then in about 3 minutes, Supreme Air Force Ones should be restocking, and Nike just loaded so many Dunks. Here they are. I'm mainly gonna go for the men's and women's pairs, grade school pairs. Was advised to pass on that for now. I'm not gonna buy all of these Nike releases, but I'll just see what I can get. I hope I get at least a few Dunks and a few Air Force Ones. Oh my god, size 14. I don't want size 14. 46 carts. Processing. Duplicate. What? For processing. What's going on here? Why don't I have processing on any of these? Oh, hit. I could use some more. Another. And another one. Let's go. All right, I gotta enter on Nike before I forget. Yes, I got something on Nike. Thank goodness I actually hit stuff.
In total, I got 11 Air Force Ones. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm not 100% confident that all of these are gonna ship out because last time I hit a bunch of Air Force Ones as well. Not all of them shipped out, maybe like 70% of them shipped out. So yeah, it kind of makes the inventory tracking a little bit of a mess. So my inventory list is just gonna reflect which Air Force Ones I have in hand. Today we have some more Nike drops, a couple of Dunks, nothing too crazy, but yeah, that's about it, just some minor releases. Let's see what I get.
Oh, I got one. It's a miracle. How did I get one? Another one? Let's go. I got 2. 3? Bro, I actually didn't think I'd get anything. Is that a 4th? Yeah, it is a 4th. Alright, I think that is it for Dunk Lows. Pretty good, considering that I didn't even enter like all of my accounts. How many actually entered? I think around 30 accounts entered. Probably could have gotten more, but I like that I didn't take it out today. Let's put it that way. In about 3 minutes, we have some clothing flips coming up. I'm still fairly new to flipping clothes, so I'm not gonna full send it. However, I do want to build up my Grailed profile so that hopefully it's something that I can do more further down the line. So yeah, I'm gonna be going for these t-shirts. Maybe I'll get a couple, and then hopefully I can make a profit off of them. Okay, here we go. Want one of those, and maybe 2 of these. They let you add multiple. Oh. Alright, that was pretty easy. I hope they don't take 10 years to ship out.
Today we have Jordan 4 Military Blacks restocking on Finish Line and JD Sports. Finish Line and JD Sports, usually they cancel basically every order, or if you get really lucky, you can get one to actually ship out. However, sometimes, this happens like a few times a year, they would just end up not caring and then they ship everything out. So I'm hoping that there's a lot of stock, and I'm hoping that that's what they end up doing. They just ship out all the orders. That would be nice. The drop is in about 10 minutes. Let's see what we get.
To be honest, no idea what they're doing, so I'm just gonna keep running my bots, and I hope I get a checkout. That's about it. Behind me, we got a bunch of packages that came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up now. Alright, so we got 7 Supreme Air Force Ones and Nike shipped out items that were essentially price errors. I paid so little for these, it's unbelievable. Now, if I'm actually able to make a decent profit off of these, then I would feel very stupid for not trying to get more, but I'm really happy that I at least went for it and I actually got it in hand. So anyways, this week, a lot of it was just random minor releases and random restocks. So hopefully next week we have some bigger releases. I don't know, we'll see. This month so far has not been exactly the best as far as releases are concerned, but we just go for what's in front of us. Hopefully we can get some more stuff on the next episode.